Hello and welcome to my video. As you can see, the lights in the trunks are not very good on the BMW i3. On the left side it's almost completely dark, and I wanted to do something about this. I bought a light that is similar to the original light, and also I bought a wire kit. So I don't need to cut any of the wires, it's just plug and play. I'm removing the cargo safety hooks so that I can remove the plastic cover on the rear of the trunk. I'm removing the plastic pins that holds the side covers to access how to get the wires to the lights. And then I cut a hole to put the light. I just copied a hole behind this light and make it a similar size and a similar position. The wire split kit I bought is too short, but I just extend the wires. It's 4 wires that needs to be extended to reach on the other side of the trunk. After the wires are threaded, I just remove the OEM light, unplug it, and then I plug in the Y connection. And then I plug in the new light on the other side. Then it's time to mount everything together. Then I make sure to tuck the wires away so they don't get in the way of the locking mechanism of the gate. I will fix this later. I have ordered some Tessa tape, but it has not arrived yet. Everything put back together, and I think it looks kinda original. Quite a big difference compared to the original lighting, and now I actually can see all of my trunk. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you do.